That one there, Wrighty, look.
Welcome to Trending with me, Ian Wright. In each episode, me and a mate have a go at a new trending activity whilst kitted out in M&S menswear. Today, they've dropped me in the sticks to smoke some meat with one of my oldest pals, Jamie Redknapp. Oh, where is he? Look at your face.
Wrighty, what's going on, man? This is nice.
It's cool, huh?
It's good to see you. I missed you.
In the wild.
You're man in the woods now.
I haven't seen you for a while.
What are we doing?
Yeah, we're going to smoke some meat.
Gents, how you doing?
Nice.
How you doing?
Good
How
to
you
see
doing?
ya.
I'm Jack. I'm a meat smoking expert. I'm going to take you through preparing some ribs and getting them on the smoker.
I'm Matt. I'm the M&S meat expert, and we're going to look at the Boston butt.
Wow.
And we're going to do loads of work prepping it, and a bit of veg on the fire pit as well.
Got to have some veg.
Listen, let's do it. I'm so hungry, Wrighty.
We've got a nice big rack of ribs. I'm going to show you how to remove the membrane. What you can do is use like your thumb so you don't rip it.
Right.
So then you've got a nice bit to pull on.
There you go.
And then this come off in one go like
Wow.
that. Don't want to eat that. That's pretty
is
gross.
Insane.
Yeah, he's got. I think you're giving the better one though, didn't you? Because it's his show.
Oh, look at that.
Yes, Wrighty.
Nailed it.
Can I put some of this on now?
Yeah, go for it.
How much do I put on?
A good old dollop.
James. Sorry, bro.
Mate,
Sorry.
these are my favourite trousers.
Sorry. Jamie, you need some of that?
Mate, I've got enough here. I'll just take it off my trousers and might as well put it on. Look.
Yeah, but you're mustard. You're mustard,
mate,
Jamie. You're
love that.
mustard, Jamie. I love you.
Season up. That looks good,
Yeah,
Wrighty.
from a height. So nice and high, nice even coverage. Perfect. So yeah, flip it over, do the back, do the sides, and then they're ready to get on the smoker.
Jamie's not. Yeah, look, you're not doing.
Stop it, get out of the way, man. Listen, I might as well put some of my trousers. We can put these trousers on the barbecue.
Right in the middle. Perfect.
How long are we going to smoke them for?
So these will be in the smoke for probably 3 to 4 hours.
Right.
You guys need to go over to Matt now and you're going to prepare a Boston butt.
Hey,
Nice
thanks.
one, mate. Thank you. That was mustard.
Your mustard.
So we're going to just trim the fat off. There you go. That's it. Oh, I think we might be ready for scoring.
Right, okay.
So you're literally going to go. Don't be shy. Yeah.
Okay, really deep.
Have you done this before?
I've not done this before,
You
to be
haven't
honest.
done any
mate.
scoring?
No,
No?
not Scott, no.
Right, he's done plenty of scoring. Don't you worry about that.
That's it. And then what we do?
I've got a
cut
bit
the other way as well.
Look how deep
That's fine. We'll put plenty of oil on.
But are we going to put it on that barbecue over there?
We're going to smoke this
That
as
one
well.
there, Wrighty, look.
Which one?
We're going to put some oil on. We're going to season it with a lovely coffee rub.
So just like that?
You're good at that, aren't you?
Nice massaging. Okay, ready for the smoke?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do
Pop
it.
this in.
Oh, it's heavy, isn't it?
Well,
The fat side, yeah,
Sounds
that'll do.
lovely.
These ribs aren't doing that well, are they?
yes, they are.
Look at that. It's actually very well scored.
Oh, I did that.
No, I finished that one off.
So now our meat's on.
Yeah.
Should we do a bit of veg?
We could do the veg.
Do you trust us, though, really?
I should trust this.
That's a lot of butter, mate.
It's not a lot of butter. Not for what we're doing.
We're
now.
athletes, though. Look at that.
Just
Beautiful.
looks like a burnt leaf.
That's what it is.
Takes a while though, doesn't it? It's
nice, though.
What's it look like? Oh, look.
Oh, mate. Come in here. Have a look at this. How good does that look?
Can we have a look at mine as well?
Whoa!
Whoa,
Wow.
I'm happy with that.
Another 1 or 2 hours.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
We're finished. We need to pull it now.
Taste that bit there, look.
How's that?
Wow.
Oh, look at this. It just falls off the bone, Wrighty. Let's get Jack back.
Yeah, have a taste of my pulled pork, bro.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Good?
gents, yeah. You've built an amazing barbecue platter here, so let's go get it all trayed up
Right.
and then we can eat.
Okay,
Beautiful.
cool.
Bring the guys in.
Bring the guys in. Hey, fellas, have a look.
Let's have a look.
Guys,
Look
what
at
do you-
this.
Wow, look at that.
Wow, pitmaster heaven that.
Isn't it?
Oh, I think you've done a phenomenal job.
So, guys, we thought we'd give you a plate as well. I know that one looks eaten, so you can have that one.
I never touched it.
No, that's you guys.
Look at this.
Brilliant.
Yeah?
Righty.
Excellent.
Thank you very
Cheers,
much.
Jess.
See you later, guys. Enjoy.
You did well.
It's all right, isn't it?
So good. I think we smashed it, mate.
I couldn't think of anybody I'd rather do it with, James, because I know that you're cool and chilled.
You know I love you. Don't it go? You know, we went back to England days and that. We always used to laugh. I'd always find myself sitting on the same table as you. We just laughed.
Have a
And that
laugh,
was like,
yeah.
I was only 20, 21 years of age, and I always had respect for you as you was an amazing player. And then the next thing, you're representing your country together.
Yes.
And then for us to still be doing this,
many
past
years.
our 50s, I
Yeah.
think we should be proud of that. Because one thing for sure, we haven't grown up.
I love you to death.
Thank you for having
Thanks
me,
for
mate.
coming in, bro.
Top man, it was so good.
What one you taking? I'll have that one there, Wrighty.
Oh, mate,
Oh,
look.
yes, Wrighty.
Oh.
Good night, mate.
Love you, bro.
Thanks so much.
It's great to just hang out, try something new, especially when you look and feel good doing it. So, go and take a look at M&S Menswear. Try it for yourself. Take it easy.